Are you a fan of jets? Well, you must be familiar with some of the things that you can usually see in it. This type of vehicle is indeed made to give comfort while traveling, but there are jets out there that can beat your expectations. A kitchen, a bar area, lounge area, and even a master bedroom with a king-sized bed is quite common in a jet. So what else does a custom-designed Boeing business jet 747-8i have to offer? Aside from being the largest jet in the world, what are its other features and characteristics that makes it any different from all other lavish jets out there? This is what I am going to talk about in this video. Despite the fact that this aircraft is huge, it is also known for being a VIP configured plane. This is usually used by world leaders. There are several countries that have 747-8i, including Turkey, Brunei, Morocco, and Kuwait, and it is exclusively for government use. Even though world leaders are the usual passengers of this jet, it does not necessarily mean that they are the only ones who have the privilege to ride it. Because as long as you have enough money to own one, then there is no reason for you not to. Even Mohammed bin Salman has one. Being the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia previously has lots of perks. We're going to look at this 747-8i that has been custom-made for a wealthy client based in Saudi Arabia. With its length of 250 feet, you can surely fit a lot of amenities and rooms in here. This jet can typically accommodate 400 people, but with all the bathrooms, bedrooms, and living areas it has, it can only carry 30 to 50 passengers comfortably. Anyone who will ride this jet will not be complaining because it has 4,000 square feet of available space. That much space is comparable to 2 average houses. The mind behind its magnificent interior is the firm known as Alberto Pinto. It took them over 4 years to finish this one. The design of the 747-8i is the opposite of what you might be expecting. If you have enough money to splurge on this type of aircraft, people will not be shocked if you accompany it with gold toilets and gold accents. But the owner of the plane has some things in mind, and it was inspired by understated luxury. The main foyer will welcome you with its grand staircase and glossy accents. If you climb the stairs, you will see a few seating areas, including a living area. This area of the plane is specifically made for children. It even has a dining area and a play area. The adults will have their peace while traveling in this aircraft. There are built-in bookcases, suede ceiling with embroidered design, a couch, and neutral color woods in the living area. The lower level in the front part of the plane is where the master bedroom is located. This room is directly below the cockpit. Of course, the place reserved for the owner is magnificently designed. There is a recessed feature that offers angular lighting in the ceiling. You can enjoy your sleep in the leather queen-size bed. You can control the temperature, music, and light in the bedroom through the touchscreen panel that is integrated in the furniture and wall. The master bathroom is connected to the bedroom. You will see some gold accents and neutral colors in the bathroom. The feature that you might certainly enjoy is the shower that has a pressure and temperature dial. The guests and other passengers can have the same experience as the owner because there are several other rooms in this jet. There is a standard-sized bed in each guest room and a desk. These rooms also have their own ensuite bathrooms. Although these bathrooms do not have the shower in the master bathroom, they still offer utmost privacy to the guests. Waiting comfortably for the plane to land is not the only thing that you can do. After you've taken enough rest in your own rooms, you can still keep yourself entertained by some other features that this 747-8i has to offer. If the children have their own area, so do the adults. You can lounge in the main living area with 3 couches. It also has the geometric patterns that are consistent in every part of the plane, as well as the glossy furniture. The grid pattern recessed ceiling balances the design. There is a cabinet past the seating area. It might look like a random cabinet, but once you press some buttons, it will reveal the television and will serve as the television stand. You can watch anything or any news about what is happening down below while you are flying miles away from the ground. It is a great way to keep things organized. Across the television is a table area where you can play card games or any other possible games you can play on the table. For sure, poker will be the top choice of these wealthy people. If you are a world leader, then you can even conduct some meetings in this table if you do not necessarily need it to be private. But if you need a space where you can talk about something confidential, then the conference room in this jet offers more privacy. There is a television attached to the backlit bookcase. The ceiling has lighting that makes it look like you're looking at the skylight. The leather chairs are for sure comfortable. You can even adjust it to your liking by touching some buttons. There are several more seating areas in this jet, some of which actually look like the seating you usually see in regular planes. It has the leather armchair that you can normally see in a private jet, but of course, this jet desires to be fancier with tables that have built-in board games like chess. Well, it is one of the few things that business people love to play with when traveling. If you're not in the mood to play or just want to sip your coffee or wine, then you can simply flip the table over for a more suitable look. The interior has state-of-the-art furniture as well as the equipment in the cockpit. The crew also has enough space to rest and prepare anything you specifically ask them to prepare. You will definitely be able to sleep and rest for long hours in this aircraft because this type of jet was meant to take you on long flights. The range of the 7478i is approximately around 7,700 nautical miles. This plane can take you from Los Angeles to Melbourne in a single flight or even from New York to Hong Kong. It is also capable of flying you from Cape Town to Chicago. Quite some distance, huh? Well, if you can afford to buy this Boeing business jet 7478i, then you will have the luxury of traveling anywhere you desire with as much relaxation you need. What is the first place you want to go using this plane? We will never know. Maybe after this video, you will purchase your own. Might be invited by someone who owns one. Again, this is the Boeing Business Jet 7478i. Have you enjoyed the tour? What is the best feature of this plane that you want to try? I would love to know more about your thoughts, so comment down below. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with a friend or a family member. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated on our latest posts and videos. This video is brought to you by Finest Luxury, and we'll see you next time. With